These are both pork chops, but that's about where the similarities end. Today we're putting regular grocery store pork head-to-head against the Campo Grande Iberico full rib rack. Before we even start cooking, just look at the difference. This is your typical American pork chop. It's been bred over decades to produce larger, leaner chops with higher yields, which makes a lot of sense from a production standpoint. Now, look at the Iberico. The chop is a little bit smaller, but look at that marbling. The fat is woven throughout the meat instead of just sitting around the edges. And to really appreciate just how incredible this breed is, check out this Secreto. This cut is famous because it's absolutely loaded with intramuscular fat. The reason is something really unique about the Iberico pig. They're naturally able to develop exceptionally high levels of oleic acid, the same heart-healthy fat that's abundant in olives and extra virgin olive oil. So let's get both these chops into the pan. No fancy technique, same pan, same temperature, same treatment. And for flavor, let's add some butter, garlic, and herbs. We're gonna cook them both to medium. When ready, remove and let them rest. Now, let's look at the result. The grocery store chop is lean, it's a little bit dry, but it's perfectly fine. But the Iberico, that's on another level. Softer, juicier, much more tender and rich with flavors. Campo Grande Iberico pork is not just different pork, it's a completely different dining experience. Wow.